Camp Butterfly, what an incredible adventure it's been. Together, we explored nature, discovered the joy of water play, celebrated creativity, and encouraged confidence and independence. I hope this series has reminded you that the greatest gift we can give children ages 0 to 5 isn't expensive toys or perfect plans. It's our time, encouragement, and willingness to learn alongside them. Thank you for spending your summer with me here at Camp Butterfly. This may be the end of camp, but it's only the beginning of your next adventure. What was your favorite Camp Butterfly week? Let me know in the comments. I will also be resharing this week's videos in case you missed them. And don't forget to follow Babes Butterfly blog on all my social media platforms. You'll find all my links in the description or bio depending on the platform, so you never miss the next adventure. And remember to stay blessed and blurful, fear less, care more. Enjoy the videos and see you next week. Hey Blurdies! Welcome back to Camp Butterfly. Can you believe we've reached our final week? Over the past month, we've explored nature, made a splash through sensory play, and celebrated creativity. This week we're celebrating something just as important, growth. One of the greatest joys of caring for children ages 0 to 5 is watching them do something today they couldn't do yesterday. Maybe your baby rolled over for the first time. Maybe your toddler finally put on their own shoes. Maybe your preschooler proudly introduced themselves to a new friend. These moments may seem small, but they're huge milestones for little learners. As parents and caregivers, let's celebrate progress instead of perfection. Every new skill, every brave attempt, and every little victory deserves to be noticed. Thank you for joining me on this Camp Butterfly journey. Let's finish strong and continue helping our little adventurers spread their wings. What's one milestone your little learner has recently reached? I'd love to celebrate with you in the comment section. And also follow the Babes Butterfly blog on all my social media platforms for more childcare tips, activities, media recommendations, and encouragement. You'll find all of my links within the description of this video or in the bio depending on the social media platform. And remember to stay blessed and wonderful, fear less, care more. Have a great week. Good morning, Camp Butterfly. Confidence isn't something children are born with. It's something they build every time they try, make mistakes, and try again. Our job isn't to do everything for them. Our job is to encourage them while they learn to do things for themselves. That's how little adventurers become confident learners. What's something your little learner is learning to do independently? Let me know in those comments. And follow Babes Butterfly blog for more childcare encouragement. Links are going to be located within the description or bio depending on the platform. And remember to stay blessed and blurful, fear less, care more. Today's Camp Butterfly tip. When your little learner says, I can do it, pause before stepping in. Whether they're zipping a jacket, stacking blocks, pouring water, or cleaning up toys, give children time to try build confidence, independence, and resilience. It's okay if it takes a little longer. Learning is worth the wait. Save this reminder for the next time you're tempted to jump in too quickly. And follow Babes Butterfly blog for more childcare tips. Links in the description or bio depending on the platform. Remember, stay blessed and blurful, fear less, care more. Every time a child pours their own drink, puts away a toy, helps clean up, or tries something new, they're building more than a skill, they're building confidence. For children ages 0 to 5, everyday routines are full of opportunities to encourage independence in safe, age-appropriate ways. Celebrate effort, encourage persistence, cheer on progress. Those little victories become the foundation for lifelong learning. What's one way you encourage independence in your little learner? Share in the comments and follow Babes Butterfly blog on all my social media platforms for more childcare inspiration. All my links are going to be located within the description or the bio depending on the platform. And remember to stay blessed and blurful, fear less, care more. Today's Camp Butterfly adventure is simple. Invite your little learner to help with an everyday task. Babies can help by putting toys into a basket. Toddlers can wipe a table with a damp cloth. Preschoolers can sort laundry by color, water a plant, or help set the table. These everyday moments teach responsibility, independence, and confidence. Little helpers become little adventurers. Tell me which job your little helper loves the most in the comment section. And follow Babes Butterfly blog for more simple activity ideas. Links in the description or bio depending on the platform. And remember to stay blessed and blurful, fear less, care more. Hey Blurdies! Welcome back to Camp Butterfly. This week's book recommendations are all about helping little learners grow in confidence and believe in themselves. For infants and toddlers, Mouse's First Summer celebrates the excitement of exploring new experiences. While I can do it myself, encourage little ones to practice independence and be proud of what they can do.
For preschoolers, Jabari Jumps reminds children that it's okay to feel nervous when trying something new. And Jaden's Impossible Garden shows how patience, determination, and hope can help us achieve our goals. For everyone, Giraffes Can't Dance is a beautiful reminder that every child has their own strengths and shine in their own unique way. Every story is an opportunity to help little adventurers become more confident, courageous, and ready to spread their wings. Which of these books would you read with your little learner? Let me know in the comments section. Follow Facebook Live Blog on all my social media platforms for more childcare tips, activities, and book recommendations. You'll find all my links in the description or in the bio, depending on your platform. And remember to stay blessed and blurful, fear less, care more.